Hi everybody, Dennis here. Thought I would show you something that I got from Amazon excuse me, the other day, and it's a cable wire tester. And I just opened up the box, as you can see, and it's by Elegant. I don't know, it's a play on words, I guess. Anyway, here is the case, and that's a nice looking case with a little snap-on jobber there. Anyway, let's open this little guy up and see what we get. Okay, so we've got, okay, that's an inspection sticker, so apparently that's good. Wire tracker, you can see that. It's in its own plastic little container there, you might say. And it looks like it's got the, I don't know if you can see that or not, connector for the phone line. Okay, so let's see what else we got. We've got some the hookup wires and connectors, and let's see what else we got in this goodie bag here. Hold on. And this is the wire tracker. So this is looking pretty sweet. I actually got this for my nephew. My nephew's 50 some odd years old, into electronics and things of that nature. So anyway, you also get a user manual, and I obviously am not going to open up this now because it's for my nephew, but you can see the user manual. It looks like it's pretty explanatory on what you get. So excuse me. So hopefully this is going to work out for you. Okay, thanks.